welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the new Apple products that I just picked up. I got the Apple Watch and I got the Magic Keyboard. Keep watching! I got the space gray Magic Keyboard to match my laptop, and so once I have the home office space set up in our new condo, I will give you a home tour. I am so careful when it comes to unboxing because I am one of those people that keeps the original packaging for all my tech and a lot of the electronics or small appliances that I have, because whether I am reselling or trading it in the future, I like putting it back in the original packaging. When I went into the Apple store, I was so sure that I was gonna get the space gray to, of course, match my keyboard as well as my laptop, along with the black silicone bands. But you really have to try things on. And again, my fiance was very adamant that I tried all the different types of bands and also saw them in the different watch colors between the silver or the space gray, because you know, you really don't know how you're going to feel about it until you see it on yourself. So when I actually saw the watch and the bands together, the space gray and the black silicone band just looked really dark and heavy on my wrist. So I wanted to have a watch that would pop a little bit more. So I felt like the silver one would work a lot better. And then when I was deciding between the bands, again, I was so sure that I wouldn't want the leather band, but once I saw the leather quality and how it magnetically, you know, clasped together, it just looked very sleek, and I like that it feels a bit more dressy. I will have to get a silicone band of some sort for when I'm working out, because they do recommend that you don't use a leather band for working out because it'll probably chafe your skin or even just ruin the leather itself. And also, like the silicone band just didn't feel like my style. I wasn't feeling the Velcro. And there's also the braided band that my fiance has, and that one is really nice, but it looked a little bit more sporty to me. So I wanted something a little bit more sleek, a little bit more dressy for when I'm going out or wearing it during any occasion. And the black leather really looked beautiful. Honestly, it's so sleek. The leather quality feels amazing, and the magnet feels super strong. Oops. I do have really little wrists, so when I was choosing between the band sizes, they gave me a small medium. This worked the best for me. The strap lengths are different. You do the long one on the bottom of the watch and then the short one on the top. I just heard the little click sound and the watch is on. I love the Apple Watch SE so far. It has so many great features. I'm always on the go, so it's great that I can take calls right from my watch without having to take out my phone. All the fitness features will give me the motivation I need to keep my wellness in check. And with the pandemic right now, it's so convenient to have contactless payment right from my watch without having to double tap my phone and input my passcode. For my watch face, I like to keep it simple, so I went with a simple style in lilac. You can personalize and set complications on the main screen. I always like knowing the date and weather, so I've set that to the top corners, and on the bottom I have the breathe feature. I tend to experience a lot of stress and anxiety, so this is a great reminder for me to take deep breaths when I need it. The last complication that I set is the camera remote and viewfinder feature. It's so awesome because now I can preview the shot before setting a timer for photos. I had so much fun with this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!